what is to be covered and in what order. The course objectives point to what we want the course to achieve. So once we have identified the objectives, now we can start thinking about the course and how we want to achieve these objectives. The syllabus states the actions to be taken in order to achieve these aims and objectives. It lists what is to be covered during the course and states an order of how these objectives are going to be achieved. In business English teaching, the focus should be on using language to perform tasks, not just to talk about it. So the importance of practice and of the practical aspect of language and communication is stressed through this. We do not have to talk about the theoretical aspect of language and communication. And then the next stress and emphasis is on developing the competencies of students, the linguistic competency, the socio-cultural competency, as well as the business competency of learners. The importance of context. Syllabus is to reflect the discourse with which the learners are going to be confronted with at the workplace. And then once that has been decided and identified, then that discourse and the different language forms which they confront, they have to be given practice of those common language forms. The language needs to be learnable. So the language items which are identified in the syllabus, the first thing is that they need to be learnable. That is, they should be according to the proficiency level of the learners. So either they should be of beginners, the intermediate level, the layman, which means the person who does not know anything about specialist vocabulary or language, or the specialist. So if we say that expecting a beginner finance students to give extensive presentations about spreadsheets or about financial report, then that would be a bit unrealistic. Similarly, the learning must be achievable. That is, it should be achievable within the time which has been provided for it, and it should be realistic in terms of the time to be devoted in each element. So if we expect that a beginner student is going to start taking part in negotiations, then that would not be suitable. So the syllabus provides a structure in which we can put the selected language into orderly, manageable chunks, and then the content and the order are matched to the learners and to their situation. Also, decisions for materials are reflected in the course design in the syllabus, and also evaluation, how the students and how this linguistic data is going to be evaluated, and the testing system is also given in the syllabus design.